Today I am going to show you exactly how to slant text in Adobe Illustrator, whether you want that cool italic effect or a dramatic diagonal style. This trick is super simple and by the end of this video, you will be doing it in seconds. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First we need some text to work with. Go to the type tool from your toolbar, click anywhere on the artboard and type in your desired text. You can change the font and size from the character panel to match your style. I will use a bold font here so you can really see the slant effect. Now here is the magic. Go to the Shear tool, you might find it hidden under the Scale tool. Click and hold to reveal it. Once selected, click and drag your text to slant it in the direction you want. If you want more precision, double click the Shear tool icon and enter an exact angle like 20 degrees and hit OK. And your text will slant perfectly. There is another way too. With your text selected, open the transform panel from the right side properties window. Look for the shear angle option. Type in your preferred degree and hit enter. If you want to create a permanent slanted text for custom design, go to type menu, create outline. This turns your text into shapes so you can slant, stretch and customize it without worrying about the font. And that's it. Your text is now beautifully slanted in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Guide and ring the bell so you never miss our Illustrator videos. Drop a comment if you want me to cover more text effect. I would love to hear your ideas. That's all for today. See you in the next video.